Okay, Juliana, where are you going today?
Horse riding.
Horse riding. Okay, yeah, that's true. And you know, what's the name of the place where we are going today?
I don't know.
Okay, we are going to a kiwi farm. Which
Kiwi
is,
farm or kiwi farm?
yeah, we can go horse riding.
And mommy just give you all the food.
All good. Let's go, guys. We are getting late. It's already 1 o'clock. Today we are behind the
We
schedule.
go to the wash car because we're late today.
You want to say something?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have a new walkway.
Okay.
Like that button and start my channel here and here.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Finally, Juliana is here. I remember we celebrated Juliana's second birthday here. Juliana, do you like this place? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Juliana, come. We have to buy the ticket. Wow. Fish. Yeah, go. Fluffy? Yeah, it's almost fluffy, yeah.
Me, I got to the birthday party. This is my birthday.
Okay. Wait. Hey,
It's okay.
it's okay. It's okay, Juliana, it's okay. Mouse, no, not too much stable.
It's okay.
Mouse is okay.
Remember Tom and Jerry?
Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, that's true. Mouse is okay. Look at the mouse capturing her. Really? Get your bunny in your bucket. Oh my god. He moves so much, you know.
Mommy, just pet her.
Yeah.
Mommy don't like mouse.
If you don't pet her, then she goes.
Look after your bunny. Juliana, do you like this bunny? Juliana, bunny selfie please. And
One more here.
he's so much itchy, it's so funny. Juliana having it. Good job, Juliana. Ask them, please eat nicely. Yeah, don't need to worry. I'm going to give you more food. Yeah.
She didn't bite me, Mom.
Yeah, she didn't bite you because they. Yeah, because you don't. It's okay. Both are hungry. Then don't hold tight. You know, hold tightly. Yeah. Otherwise they're going to drop down. Let's go to horse riding. We are going to have some fun.
You're so big now.
Yeah, she's very active now. Let's go inside. Yes. Here we go. We can have fun. You excited? You're going to go to horse. So Juliana, want to go for horse riding? It's okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Juliana's gonna. Let's go, Juliana. It's a big one. Yeah. Can you wave hand to me? Hey. You are really enjoying this one. You're very brave, Juliana, seriously. Yeah, you're very big, brave girl. Yeah, he's moving fast, honey. Look. Yeah. Yeah, now he's gonna let you drop on the destination. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Here we go, Juliana. Finish the ride. Juliana, so funny. Yeah, give to this one. Hold it. They said, oh, Julie, don't give me any food. Okay. Hold tightly, Juliana. It's okay. Hold it. Don't tilt it. Hold it, Juliana, hold it. Yeah, other way. Go close. It's okay. Look at me. It's okay. Ostrich, look at ostrich. So big. Whoa, he's so big. Bye-bye, Juliana. Juliana? He's having fun.